Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you create avatar on Reddit. For those of you who don't know what is Reddit, Reddit is an American app where you can share various links, text, post, images and videos etc. To create avatar on Reddit, open Reddit on a device. Now this is the home page of Reddit. You will see various options on the bottom taskbar and the upper taskbar. Click on profile icon which is at the very top left. Now there you will see various options like my profile, create a community, Reddit coin, etc. Click on settings which is at the very bottom. Now you will see options like general, premium, view option, dark mode, etc. Under premium you will see option of create avatar. Click on it. Now choose the avatar you like to have. You may change the face if you don't like it, then click on face and you may choose eye color and eyes how you like to have. You may change the tops, bottoms, hair, body type, body color, body type, etc. And to save all of this, click on save button which is at the very top right and click on confirm highlighted in blue. And that's it. You have successfully created an avatar for your Reddit account. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.